Hi everyone, today I'm going to be reading a book called I Am Mars. I am Mars. When you look up at the night sky, I'm a red planet shining in the darkness. Just like the planet Earth, I also circle around the sun, but it takes me a lot longer. By the time Earth circles the sun twice, I've only made it around once. When the planet circles around the sun, scientists say the planet is orbiting the sun. Your planet Earth has one big moon. I have two smaller moons that orbit the sun with me. Gravity holds my moons in place. Gravity is what keeps everything in our solar system moving together and keeps things from drifting away. There are 8 planets in our solar system that orbit the sun. I'm the 4th planet away from the sun. It gets really cold on my surface. I'm far away from your planet, so scientists study me through telescopes, spacecraft, and robotic vehicles. Out on all the other planets in our solar system, it's me, Mars, has the tallest mountain. Scientists call it Olympus Mons. It's 3 times taller than the tallest mountain on Earth. So this is Olympus Mons. I'm guessing this is how big our biggest mountain is supposed to be. Himalayan, the Mount Everest, maybe that's how big Mount Everest is, and this is how big Olympus Mons is. I also have the largest canyon in the solar system, cut deep into my surface. Scientists call it Rainier Valley. A lot of my surface looks like empty desert covered with lots of rocks and red sand. Sometimes the wind will blow that cause super big storms that send dust swirling in every direction. Scientists have sent spacecraft and vehicles to explore my surface, but there haven't been any people who have visited me yet. It takes a spacecraft about 6 months to reach me. That's half a year. Some spacecraft only fly by. Others watch me from the sky above. They're called orbiters. When a spacecraft lands on my surface and stays in one place, it's called a lander. There are even robotic vehicles that roam around my surface. They're called rovers. The spacecraft and rovers have different jobs, taking pictures, studying soil, and drilling into my ground. All the information they gather is sent back to scientists so they can learn more about me. Out of all the spacecraft that have been watching from above and the rovers traveling over my surface, not one of them has ever seen any signs that there is life on me. There aren't any plants, animals, or people. Scientists are now working on a mission to send people to my surface, but it's not an easy journey. There's Mars all the way there. A spacecraft will have to be built that can travel the long distance to reach me, and it will have to be big enough to carry all the things people need to survive. There are no food growing on me, so bring enough to eat. It will be very important. Scientists have sign on water on my surface. For people making the long journey to visit me, they'll have to make sure they have enough water for the entire trip. A special spacesuit will need to be made to protect people from the freezing cold and other dangers. There are no air to breathe in space or on my surface, so space travelers will need to make of their own. Some scientists believe that one day people might actually live on my surface. Would you like to visit me? I hope you enjoyed this book, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye! Before I leave, I just want to say this. When I'm reading, my voice is basically different. And now my voice is a little louder. So yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, comment your opinion, and give a thumbs up. I'll see you in our next video. Bye!